We are in Photoshop for editing, so here we will apply some filters. In camera raw filter, we will edit image, increase some temperature and the exposure as well. So we have made an image like a morning. You can see how the image is looking beautiful. Sharpness, we have make it more sharpen. So here are the size and for about the temperature. We will kept it moderate. So that's the image we have get at the end. Thank you for watching.